Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the product. In this video, I'm diving into my experience with KeepCalling's eSIM service, exploring its features, strengths, and ideal user base. KeepCalling has built a reputation around international calling and has recently expanded into the eSIM market. They now provide global connectivity at competitive prices, making it a viable solution for travelers, expats, or anyone needing a dependable overseas connection without overspending. Setting up the KeepCalling eSIM is remarkably simple. After purchasing the eSIM, you receive a QR code via email. Scan this code to activate the service. No need to visit a physical store or fumble with physical SIM cards. The activation process is quick, and I found the instructions clear and user-friendly. KeepCalling also offers a handy app that allows you to manage your account, monitor data usage, and top up as needed, making the entire experience seamless. In terms of coverage, KeepCalling's eSIM performs well across numerous countries. They partner with local carriers to ensure reliable connections. During my testing, the service remained stable, providing good speeds for general browsing, email, and even video calls. While the speed might not always rival a local SIM card, the convenience of avoiding SIM card swaps in every country is a major advantage, especially for frequent travelers or those seeking a single solution for multiple destinations. One of KeepCalling's most compelling features is its pricing. They offer a range of affordable data packages to suit short-term travelers, long-term users, and those needing a backup connection for international roaming. KeepCalling excels at providing budget-friendly options for light to moderate data users. Their customer service is also noteworthy, with responsive support available through various channels should you encounter any problems or require assistance. To sum up, KeepCalling's eSIM is a strong option for cost-conscious travelers requiring dependable international coverage without the hassle of juggling multiple SIM cards. If you're looking for a straightforward and affordable way to stay connected while traveling abroad, KeepCalling is definitely worth considering. For more details, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.